Hey everyone, this is Mohit. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore or learn how to set up OpenClaw agents on Google Cloud, or you can say GCP, that means Google Cloud Platform. And I think that is totally free to set up. In my previous video, we learned how to set up or use OpenClaw agents on your local machine, correct? But now in this video or in this session, we are going to learn or use OpenClaw agents on your cloud environment, or you can say cloud machine.
To create a new project, I will click on this option. Give any project name. I will give it as my first OpenClaw project. Click on Create. Now we'll change the project. I will click on Newly Created Project. Another important step is to create VM. I need to create the billing account. Select your country. In my case is India. The Compute Engine API is a Google Cloud API used to programmatically create, manage, and control virtual machines (VMs) in Google Cloud. Click on Enable. Now we need to set up VM instances. Name will remain same based on your requirements. Need to select the machine type. I will go for E2. That is really nice for low cost. That is for day-to-day computing. You can see here operating system and storage. I will keep it as 10 gigabytes. Yes, I know it's really less for setting up OpenClaw agent. Let's how we can upgrade the size later. That will be another learning. Now everything is done. Click on authorize. Here you can see the terminal. It downloads the OpenClaw installation script, run it with bash, and install OpenClaw using Git as the installation method. Let me open the another terminal. df-h is used to check how much disk/storage space is available on your computer or server. This command is used to find which folders are taking the most storage space on your Linux server. This command is used to find which folders/files in your home directory are using the most storage, and also check how much space the home folder, npm folder, and cache are using, then sort them by size. Let's open the Cloud Shell. You can use it to run gcloud commands. This command is being run from Cloud Shell and tells Google Cloud to resize the disk attached to your OpenClaw VM. Now increase the disk size to 30 gigabytes because earlier 10 gigabytes seems really less. Used to show the disks/partitions attached to the server and their file system information. This command is used to refresh the list of available software and updates on your Linux server. Install the tools needed to manage and resize the disk/partition of my cloud server. Make partition 1 bigger so it can use the extra space available on the disk. Make the file system bigger so it can use all the extra disk space we just added. Your server's storage has increased from about 9.7 gigabytes to 30 gigabytes, and the file system is now using the extra space. Go to the OpenClaw folder inside my home directory. We'll show you the files and folders inside the OpenClaw directory. The OpenClaw build is still working in the background, but it hasn't shown any new progress for 30 seconds. Connect to my Google Cloud server and check what process with ID 5363 is doing. how long it has been running, and how much CPU and memory it is using. You don't have an SSH key on this machine yet, so Google Cloud will create one for you and store it in your .ssh folder. These commands are used to check, stop, and upgrade the Google Cloud VM's machine type, changes the VM machine type from E2-medium to E2-standard-2, confirm what machine type my Google Cloud VM is using. Now let's follow the same steps and run the commands again. This command checks the current status of your Google Cloud VM. These commands are used to check the installed versions of Node.js and pnpm. This command checks the installed version of tsdown in your project.